Hey everyone, so this is going to be for all the signs. I hope that you all are doing well and I'm fine. Um, Algorithm is crazy, views are crazy, not right, not hitting. So we'll see where it goes. And I really appreciate your support and donations. Okay, you may do so via PayPal, UPI, and GPay ID. Everything is available in the description box below. And yes, to book private readings, you may do so via shlspeaksmessages@gmail.com. Now, you know what I see here for this is general slash sub. I see as if like some there's going to be this one card of order, okay, and the deck is totally different. Okay, this is a gypsy which oracle or card, different deck. Okay, I don't exactly remember the name, but whatever, we are still on with the message. What I see here is of like there's going to be very organized connection. I see. I don't know how to why to say organized, but this is someone maybe organizing stuff in their life and then putting things in order and then continuing contacting you or making effort or talking. Okay, this is what I see. Um, Someone who does feel sort of like wanting to possible create this aura between you and them as home kind of warm kind of or homely. Okay, now this particular one card, I'm going to see what is coming for you, but you have the order. Okay, I read my cards different, so I don't go, but I read the words on the side. So it's the order denotes honor and recognition of labor, a sure sign of business success. So if some of you are doing this kind of thing, you have a sure sign of success, you're organizing things and you're on the right track. Basically, whoever is doing or starting something, you're on a right track and you're going to see that it is going good. But someone also is looking like they have this expression of like little bit nervous but confident, little bit nervous but they're not showing it. Do you see the projection is of confidence, but inside they know that I have to work a little bit more. But there is also something starting and they don't want to ruin it. Now this, for some this is work, for maybe you, for anyone, but whoever is resonating with this. But I also see here that there's a message coming and there could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a listener or a dealer. So there is someone who is seeing that I putting things right and in order even while having the communication with you. So they're putting this, they focus basically into something. You putting focus into something. This person is putting focus into this particular connection. If we're talking about connection, they're like, everything is going well. Is it even? Is it organized? Like they have this expression of like even while talking with you, they don't want to mess it up. So yes, they don't want to mess this connection up. They don't want to. Just to show you this particular deck, it's my old deck. It's very interesting. Okay, so let's see. The top card is okay. So there's another Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Um, there's some sincere either one offer coming, work offer, money coming your way, inflow is there, but this is also someone who is sincerely interested in talking to you. The rider. Okay, so just to show you, it's a rider, and I do read and connect on a deeper note as well. So the rider is a sure sign of good news. Okay, so this is some good news. This is something, I'm not taking this card out, but I'm taking this because it was already out. It flipped out. Okay, um, there is something that is going in order. Plus, there is good news connected either with your work or either with money or either with, of course, work and money correlated. But it's also someone who is going to, in like, in a way, in a proper way, they are going to connect with you. They don't want to mess it up. Bottom energy. Look at this. So, this is about the book presages the discovery of a mystery affecting the present for the better in a degree governed by the distance. But this is what a sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is Jack of Hearts. This is a pure message of love and respect and admiration. This is also something that is so much in them, like wanting to tell you, okay, what is coming. I feel here that something is challenging in your life right now. Challenging in a way that you're putting effort, might not be getting that much result. Maybe it's work again, or maybe it's this communication with the person, but that doesn't mean that it's not possible. Basically, this is something that is going to take a little bit of time in order to relate to each other and know each other very well. Okay? Life is chaotic, darling. So, yes. Maybe I want to say the word that they're trying to convey me is like something is becoming here. Becoming. So something is definitely becoming. But it's going to take time. I'm not saying it's going to be overnight, but if this is a bond or this is work, it's going to take time, and this is going to take a little bit of organization here, on a mental level, on a heart level, on levels. Okay, what is coming? Here's the flip. Okay, got the flip. Someone is keeping an eye on you. Definitely, you also have the eye. And this is someone who is not projecting their so much of energy, like, oh, it's obvious, like, not like that. It's like, yeah, subtle look. And me feel as if, like, why this person is looking at me? But they're looking because they admire you. And they are doing this, not looking at you when you look, because they don't want to mess it up. Okay, so if this makes sense, like, and if you don't know, they might be looking at your picture or something. The eye, when near, denotes great interest taken by friends. When distant, it signifies suspicion. So maybe you have this upper part, okay? Because I also feel like there is green eyes or dark green eyes, kind of. Why? Because I feel like this is also a sign of someone who envy you. Is it because they watch you online and they envy you? I don't. People are like that, negative sometimes, because they don't want to. They can't pull anything in their life that much the way you have done, and possible because of that, some people just don't like the way you live your life. Possible, or in your work area, it's just you and you don't envy, and the problem is like that. Some people are so simple and organized, they do their stuff, but other energies I don't understand, they do, like, even that's a different thing I'm going to share. But yes, you have this eye, so someone is definitely taking keen interest in you. And your card that flipped is different. Wow. So you have King of Spades energy here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's male energy here, definitely. However, this could be another sign as well, but a listener or a dealer. But you have the Bride, okay? The bride ensures for a single person the fulfillment of their highest aims when near, if distant, turbulent married life. Now, one way I do feel like they might have seen their marriage fall apart. If this makes sense, if this is not for you, this is for that person. Whoever is going to enter in your life, it is there or taking interest. They might have seen something very disastrous, and of course, the other person also went through the same. Female also, but there is this male energy I see here, definitely, that who is either listening to me or who is, again, you might be dealing with. Okay, can go vice versa. Anyways, just take these energies. So I do feel like someone, whoever is definitely taking keen interest in you. And if they're single, they're definitely having this energy connected with you. Like, I don't want to mess it up. They don't want to mess this connection up. They may have high hopes, and they're very keen to know what do you think about life and what do you think about connection. And they may have future plans to discuss with you, like stuff like that. It depends. Okay. In future, what is coming? So looking at the bride, I do feel like, Hmm. Someone's interest level is going to go crazy. Possible. Give us the card, please. But someone is definitely is going to in future as well, wanting to share more with you, talking and all that. And I always say that it's not just end up marrying. It's more than that as well. It's like having a bond, having friendship. I do feel like friendship is so important. Like for anything, if even if that's not the thing, friendship is there. you know Someone who can be your companion in talking, togetherness, sharing things, and not stressing each other out. Okay, there's so much of stress, I know. Give us the card, please. Souls and spirits, give us the card. Someone not being so lucky in love, I do feel, or a connection, because they already been through something disastrous event, or regarding their marriage, separation, divorce, or anything that was not good personally. So emotionally, some they never were so lucky possible, or they thought that they were not lucky enough. Okay. Please give us some indication. Spirits, what is coming for you? is coming for you. I do see a little bit of shakeup in your life. Okay. Okay, a little bit of shakeup in your life before something is going to grow in your life, or whatever is going to happen, it's going to be a little shakeup, like adjusting to the facts, reality check, practical things as well, emotionally as well. You're going to be like, what is going on? So it's basically letting you know that you need to just shrug off like things those are not meant, and same goes for that person. Okay, and you have two cards. We're going to see what is, but bottom energy is again rider, and it is a sign of something coming good. Okay, message, news, anything. Now you have five of hearts energy, and this the moon. The moon, when near, is a good omen. It predicts fortune. When distant, in exposure of your secrets. So it's basically you figure it out, or you're going to figure out someone's secrets, which may be coming into their vulnerable state, or when they're feeling overwhelmed and vulnerable. At the same time, they're going to tell you some things about their life, one thing. So this could be very emotional concepts, and maybe you are also, but if you're not, at least you're going to listen to the person. This is like a little shake up about knowing about someone's secrets as well. There could be a Piscean as well, a listener or a dealer. But what I want to say is that the moon is also a situation that is going to be creating that stuff, like people letting out whatever is here, and also telling you their emotional reality possible about you as well. Like if they like you, okay, so they're going to share things with you. When they share things with you, they're going to be getting ready to let you know about their life and everything, and wanting to let you know that how I or how they feel about you. Okay, the second card is, yes, nine of hearts energy. You see this, it goes side by side. Someone is putting faith in you, or they want to share things with you in order to tell you that I look forward because you're my wish, kind of, or I look forward that can we start this, but I don't want to start this journey, or I don't want to pursue with this unless and until I tell you about my secrets, or about my things, or about my recent distant past. Because I feel like anything that is happening right now is bringing me out of those emotional things, or negativity, or trauma, or abandoned issues, or abandonment issues. Maybe they have that, but also they just want to let you know that you entered in their life, or goes vice versa, as a good omen. So basically, they want to tell you that this is what you're my wish, or someone is thinking that yes, you are, because they're connected. This is the ship, and the ship is the symbol of riches, and when near indicates wealth by inheritance or trade, it also foretells a voyage. So, here, one thing, maybe, it's all stars connected. So, maybe your business is going to run very fast, growth, or maybe because of you, this person's business is going to run fast, or job, or promotion, or anything. And basically, people are making each other's life happy by entering. So, the stars connect sometimes, okay, and things change. People become each other's charm or lucky thing, okay. Apart from that, in your life as well, you're going to see that your new voyage is going to start, and whatever you were feeling like emotional little drained, you're going to see growth in the coming time. Maybe not overnight, but in the coming time, the next, whenever you listen, your next month is going to be better than the previous one. So it goes that way. But it also foretells a voyage. Emotional voyage is here. Apart from work and finances and riches, or maybe someone is writing something, you're going to get something, as it tells, you are going to inherit something. But this is what it's telling me, that someone is going to be in order, like taking this voyage. And if you're also ready, this could be your new journey, a new beginning of love, connection, and life. Okay, so yes, some of you might be into this, like cruise and everything, marine. Like, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.